welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, 5, the bell, make thumbs up. I have a time for you guys for 5 and 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit the subscribe button.
Right, Mom. I have my mom over here again,
Hi.
and we're about to play with Play-Doh. Doing something.
Just doodling whatever.
Yeah, and let's get started into the video.
Awesome.
Okay, I'll do it for you a little bit.
I know.
What color you got?
This is pink, as you guys know. I'm playing with the Play-Doh. And what are you playing with today?
Yellow.
Awesome. I'll use the whole thing instead of parts of it. Today I'm going to make some cookies out of Play-Doh
Same here.
using a cap.
And bottle cap.
Hopefully it doesn't get stuck inside of it like it usually does. Mm-hmm.
That's why I just do that.
Yeah, true. Or you can use your Play-Doh lid. Okay.
Yeah. See?
Yep, well, you can make different things and then cut them out.
How I cut them out?
Your hands.
If I cut them out, I mean.
Oh, hang on. Oh, because you're... Okay. Here, I'll show you. That's where you use the other end. Use that part. And press down, but not too extremely hard. Okay, now lift up. And then you can take your hands, go around, like so. Just make different things, you know?
Making cookie, pretend Play-Doh. You know, pretend cookies.
Or I'm making it like an egg cookie.
Read it again.
See, like an egg cookie and like in a regular cookie. So you're just doodling now, huh? Okay.
Hit a cap on a Play-Doh.
Yep, press it down. Yeah, it looks like an egg. It's cool. Guys can all do it yourself. Put your mind to it, you can do anything.
If you got Play-Doh, do it at home. If you like, you do it your mom or your dad or whoever you're living with.
Yeah. And I just did like some kind of little thing.
A chair.
Kind of looks like a chair. Like the ones at the library, you know how they have them sort of like this.
Yeah.
Sit down. Ta-da. Just doodling, you know?
I'm doing it in now.
Okay. Then I drew the bottom of the Play-Doh thing. You can do it that way. See how it forms like a little indentation? Make different little things, you know. Be your own little creativity for you. Okay. So what else you gonna do? I'm gonna see you now. Do your little thing since I did mine. Oh, cool. Looks kind of like a ring. Not a ring, but like a bracelet.
Let me do it again. How I have to get it flat.
Awesome.
That's how you get it. If you have Play-Doh, you do it just like me or different like me.
It's almost like an onion ring shape. But it's not edible.
And kids, don't play with hot materials. Too dangerous.
Got that right, it is. Gotta be very careful with things, what you do. Careful so it won't get stuck. Got it? Okay. Well, today we had fun doing little things with Play-Doh. And this is all of what we're doing for now. There'll be some other videos I'll be in instead of just playing with Play-Doh. We'll do other things.
New video will be coming soon. Make sure you subscribe for your day tuned. Like I said, new videos coming soon. Brand new videos I never did before. So before we end the video, please don't forget bell, make thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.